What's good with y'all? What's good, man? We back with another video. Y'all see on mini yard, so y'all know what time it is. It's work day. It's work day. We about to get it in. So the plan for today is to do a little wiring. Simple wiring. So I'm walking in the garage. So what we wiring up today. Right now today. But yeah, this what we about to wire up today for real though, on serious note. About to go ahead and get the Tach wired up. Cause I'm definitely gonna need this. We need to see where we're running it. So I got the auto meter. This the Tach I always run. Good Tach. Now if I could have got the gray face, I would have got the gray face. I like it better, but you know this will do. So yeah. Need the 10,000. I need the 10,000 RPM Tach, cause this one I'm gonna take it. Nah, I'm just playing. Ain't motor come out of piece. But yeah, now for real, I'm about to get this wired up, and the way I'm gonna do it is run the wires first. Mounting this is easy or whatever, and I always put mine on the pillar. I'm sorry, that's my signature spot. People used to ask me, man, why you want to put it right there in your face, man? That's my spot, right here on the pillar. I always put my Tach right there. It's just, hey, that's how I like it. It's just me. Yeah, some people like it low and all that. I want it up there, right there in my face. So I'm gonna put it on the pillar. I'm gonna use some self-tapping screws to hold it, cause that's what work. I don't like regular screws. You need something long enough to go into that metal. Trust me, I know from experience. If it just go in that plastic, it'll be in your lap or on the floor. So I'm about to uncover Dolo. We're gonna run the wires, and I'm gonna explain the wires and all that. But I'm gonna get my wires out, cause I'm gonna keep everything color coordinated and everything like it's supposed to. So y'all just stay tuned. All right, so I got everything out the box. I got my wires already over there at the car. Like I said, I got everything color coordinated. I went ahead and assembled this the way I'm gonna mount it, cause it doesn't come like that. I got the screwdriver. I guess I need to get my phone too, just in case I need that. So it's really not a hard process. So I'm gonna show y'all a Tach installation. Ooh, boy, right. I'm gonna get it right. That's all right. Hold on, y'all. Just wait a minute. Get over here to the car. All right. So let me get in the car. Shoot, boy, you sit in these seats. These seats don't go nowhere. I might not need to weld no brackets or nothing. Now I'm just playing when that torque hit. I'll be done flew in the back. But anyway, I'm about to take the pillar down first. And then like I said, this is how I'm gonna mount it. Well, I'm gonna have to turn this ring a little bit more. But basically I always mount mine. Well, yeah, it'll sit like that. I mount mine like that. I always mount it like that. Some people don't like it. I love it though. That's where mine get mounted. So I'm putting it right there. Alright. So like I said, this ring adjustable, it turns around and all that. So let me explain the wiring for people. It's pretty simple. They just plug into the light right there. But alright, you got your green, your white, your red, and black. That's all you got. Your black is a ground, obviously, so you just hook it up to a good ground. That's simple. Your red needs to go on 12 volts. So I gotta go get my test light. I just thought about it. So it needs to go on 12 volt ignition power. So basically when you turn the switch on, your Tach handle, it'll swing up and register, whatever. So your Tach won't be on 24/7, because you don't need it 24/7, obviously. Your green wire, this is the only wire that you need to run under the hood. Everything else stay in the car. That's why I said it's simple. And I'm gonna run them down the pillar like this, and then just add a little piece to go into the fuse box. Mostly everything go in the fuse box. I'm gonna put I'm gonna go ahead and run this wire too, the memory wire, while I'm at it, for the radio, so the radio come on. So we'll go ahead and do that too while we're in here at it. But yeah, so this goes to your Tach. You run it on the outside and put your female end on it, and it plugs on the distributor cap where it says Tach. And then you plug it up to the distributor cap, and it'll register. Or if you got an MSD box, you can plug it up to the MSD box, and that's what makes it work. This white wire is just the hot wire for your light, your backlight. You know, the light that lights up the face. So that's what your white wire for. So your white wire can go to the fuse box as well, but you want it on the fuse that comes on when you hit the lights right here, when you turn the lights on. If you want it to work right, I mean, that's how I like my stuff to work like factory. Like when you hit this light, you turn your park lights on, you know your lights light up in the dash, and that's what this white wire for. Or you can put it on an ignition switch, the 12 volt, like another fuse. You can put it on 12 volt, but that just means when you turn this key forward, your light gonna come on. Your light gonna come on behind here, and it's gonna stay on all the time. I mean, that's what you want to do. You can do that. I mean, it kill the lifespan of your bulb, but you know it's a choice. And that's how you change the bulb right there. It's easy to change out though. You just twist that out, and the bulb will come out. So first, we're gonna get this down. We're gonna go ahead and get this down right here. Y'all know I put new screws in it. So we got Phillips head, so we're gonna get this down. And what I'm gonna do is, like I said, I'm gonna run the wires down through the pillar real neat, so they won't be seen. So they just gonna run straight in there. I'll probably drill a little hole. They're gonna run straight in there and then go down through here and come out at the fuse box. And then I'm gonna go ahead and have the wire out there. I ain't even put no screw right there. I'm gonna have the wire out there for the Tach. So when we fire up, we have a Tach and all that. So I gotta get a screw long enough to go through to the middle. So y'all just stay tuned.
Cedro, you've done it again.
Checking in, so this is where I'm at with everything. I just gotta screw my pillar back in, but I got it mounted. It's all firm and everything. I'm gonna zip tie all this. I'm gonna get some small zip ties and zip tie that together so it ain't dangling everywhere. And I'm gonna get a little short piece of loom cover to cover that up. Cause thinking about it, I actually don't want to drill a hole. I mean, I could have ran it, but it still would have been exposed. I ain't want to expose holes in the pillar. So I'm just gonna put a loom to cover this up and keep it tight. I'm gonna put some small zip ties so they're tight together like that. Got it running behind the dashboard, and you got more than enough wire to reach to the fuse box. So actually can cut it. So I'm gonna run this one to the fuse box. About to put an end on this and ground it. I already got a good spot for a ground, and I'm gonna find out what's going on with that. The only wire I'm gonna have to run is green wire. So I'm about to run that wire through there. Lay it on the hood, put an end on it so we can just plug it up, and I'm gonna get this thing wired up so we can at least see if it got power. We still should see the hand move or something. I guess we will, I don't know, but just stay tuned. I'm checking in. I got my ground hooked up, the power hooked up, so the Tach should register unless that Tach wire gotta be hooked up. I can't remember. I gotta find the wire for this, cause like I said, I want to come on with the light. But what I'm about to do now is go ahead and run the memory wire to the radio, cause I already got an end on it, and I got a hot open spot on the fuse in the fuse box that stay hot all the time. So I'm gonna go ahead and get that done. So I'm about to take this loose, run that wire, and then we're gonna see what we got with the radio. All right, so I'm checking in, y'all. Let me close the door. I keep timing. So I got the memory wire in for the radio and all that. Should come on. Yep, see it already. So the radio is on. First time it been on too. There we go. Oh, what's the problem? What's up with it right there? We have to see what's up with it. Let me see. I don't know, I'm gonna have to play with it. But we got power, the radio worked and all that. Yep, everything's still good. So radio working. Yep, go out with the door and all that. I gotta run somewhere, so we're gonna get back and finish this up. I ain't got nothing but 2 wires to hook up. Oh, the tack worked too. I just noticed it. Look, the tack hand was stuck at it was stuck at 7, but the tack worked. I saw the hand move. There you go. And when it jump up like that, that's where you set it. That's where you set it where you want. So man, it really finished. Let me see. We're gonna set it up here, cause you know I'm gonna be shifting up there. Now I'm just playing. Now, realistically, I'm probably gonna have to be about 65. You do like that, and it'll lock it in. Lock it in place. There you go. And let you know where your tack at. Then when you crank it up, it'll go to 0 when you have it plugged into the most people know how to work this stuff though. When you have it plugged into the distributor cap, it'll go to 0, and then you got your tack working. So I know that. I know we got the tack hooked up. Like I said, I can hook up the light anytime. So I'm gonna go ahead and run the green wire too. When I get back, I'm gonna go ahead and run the tack wire when I get back. And we're gonna wrap this up. So we got everything done. We got the radio. We got power to the radio now. We got the tack actually operational. It's mounted, secure, and all of that. Oh, I gotta get some small zip tie, cause I had to run to the store anyway. Get some small zip tie. We're gonna tidy that up and get a piece of loom, cut it, loom that up. Then we had this thing wrapped up. The only thing I gotta do is find 12 volts to the lights, which is right there and there somewhere. That's simple. We'll be wrapped up. Running the wire easy. I'm gonna run the wire from the outside. I'm gonna feed it from the outside in here, and then, you know, put the end on it, have it ready so we can just plug it up. Go ahead and tie it into this green wire, and shoot, we'll be good to go. So when I get back from the store, we're gonna tidy this stuff up, and then we're gonna wrap up. So y'all stay tuned. Oh, before I go to the store though, found out what it was, y'all. I got the trim. It was hitting the trim. It just went snug on there, so everything working good with it. Just gotta adjust the tilt. It's tilted back it's swinging back too far, so you know we wanna push it out some. But that's alright. We just adjust the tilt. There we go. Let me see. Not that too much. Right there. Just the tilt, and we'll go back in. Let's see what we got. Yep, it's perfect. That'll work right there. We're good to go. So I'll see y'all when I get back. Alright, so I'm taking it in. Y'all see I got Dolo covered up. Man, I went to the parts store, got the anti-seize and all that little stuff, but I don't know if y'all can hear it. Still raining. Still raining. So this is what we're gonna end this video. I mean, I pretty much I can't do nothing else. So, but we got it in there. We got the tack in there, we got the radio. We did everything we wanted to do today. 2 little wires. I mean, I couldn't hook up the tack wire anyway, but running it not gonna be nothing. Holding the firewall right there, I'm just gonna run it. I'll probably come out here tomorrow if I can beat this rain, man, because it's supposed to rain tomorrow all day. So I might not get a chance to mess with it. But I mean, like I said, all else fail, I'll just come out here the next sunny day. I'll run that wire, and then we'll go ahead and run the white wire to where it come on with the light switch. So yeah, that's it. It's the end of the video. Hope y'all enjoyed it, man. I appreciate y'all. Catch y'all